Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the South African Canon. Today we're quickly going to have a discussion on what is the reason for Manchester United's good results. So I'm going to give you two options. Do you think their manager is so good that he turned bad performances into good performances? Or do you think it's the CEO who simply came out and said, don't worry, people. We've got his back. We are going to back the manager for the next 3 years. And then the players went, hmm, so what else do I need to do to get rid of him? Nothing. I can't do anything. So what else can I do? I need to start performing. Otherwise, they are going to get rid of me. So, do you agree with A? The manager's so good. He transformed the team. B? The CEO made that statement a few weeks ago and the players changed. Like and subscribe.